Beautiful day in Oshkosh at Whitman Regional Airport, where they have the air show every year. I believe it is May 5th today, Sunday, May 5th, and we are here. Have another go around in the old Piper Cub. It's been some updates through last year. Take a guess at who owns this plane. They went down to my buddy Andrew went down to Indiana, picked up this Continental engine, because this is not the only Cub. There are two. This is the stock Cub, pretty much stock, very close to stock. And then there is a clipped wing Cub with 180 horses in it for aerobatics. The owner wants to put this engine in that aerobatics Cub, but we have the workstation for printing and service and all that. Then we have the service station, instruments, carburetors, tools. So the hangar is coming along. This is one of two hangars that my buddy has access to. One of this is he doesn't rent this hangar, he rents out another hangar, and there's currently a broken Cirrus in there with electrical problems. And with the help of someone who's certified, we've been learning how to diagnose what's going on with the field control and the alternator and all that stuff. It's not charging the battery. We're having alternator warning lights come on, but in very weird instances. But we're not here to talk about that. We're here to fly Cub. So hopefully we won't just be doing some pattern work today, because he's been flying it and getting pretty comfortable with the plane. Hopefully we'll be, we won't be doing pattern work. Probably fly over the family farm today, get some pictures of that. And last time I sat in the back. This Cub is nice because it has the wing tanks. There's your gauges there and over there. So you can solo this front or rear seat, which is nice. And last time Andrew was in the front. And hopefully this time I'll be in the front, because I'd like that experience. But yeah, I won't be hand propping it. I've never hand propped an airplane before. Maybe I will. Maybe Andrew will have me practice, and then he can actually hand prop it with the mags on. Because I have my plans for my airplane that I am going to be starting to build pretty soon, but a lot of other things came up. Fiance and I are buying a house hopefully pretty soon here. Oh, that looks nice. That looks really nice. I like that. That's a thumbnail. But anyways, fiance and I are buying a house, and she'll live there until we get married, and then I'll be allowed to move in. It's got a decent garage, and it's on an acre of land, so we're looking at scoring a pretty sweet house here, hopefully. Oh, look at that. They named it Little Old Rag Bag. Very cool. But anyways, looking at buying a house, still getting married. Needs a little work. Got a lot of projects going on right now, but hopefully I can get my vertical stabilizer built before I get married. Hopefully I have the time. Maybe even start the horizontal stabilizer and control surface. But we'll see. I have the engines for the airplane already. And I'll probably do a video when I start doing the rear stabilizer, talking about what I'm building and why I'm building it, and why I'm building it the way I want to build it. But yeah, that's about it. I suppose I'll go find Andrew and see when we're going up.